I've been using the Credit Versio for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Credit Versio platform. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Credit Versio. Credit Versio is a credit repair platform designed to help users identify errors on their credit reports and dispute them effectively. It partners with credit monitoring services like Smart Credit and Identity IQ to provide integrated access to credit data. With Credit Versio, you can send unlimited disputes to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Moreover, the platform automates dispute letters and provides easy tracking of progress, making the credit repair process straightforward and accessible to non-experts. On top of that, the pricing is also reasonable, starting at $19.95 per month, with premium options offering additional features at $24.95 and $29.95. These plans include credit monitoring tools, identity theft protection, and resources to help users understand credit laws like the FCRA. However, you'll need to subscribe to their partner services to access these features, which might not be ideal for those looking for a single standalone solution. One of Credit Versio's standout benefits is its step-by-step guidance for disputes, allowing users to tackle inaccuracies like late payments, collections, or even identity theft. However, while it offers exceptional automation and user-friendly tools, it lacks hands-on expert assistance, which some users might prefer for complex cases. Overall, Credit Versio is ideal for individuals who want an affordable, automated solution to repair their credit without relying on expensive professional services. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.